1305 Silver Sierra. So to access the townhome, not through the garage, would be through the opposite side of the house. So this is a main road here. And then for guests, it's actually kind of convenient because you're on the side of the strip of townhomes. So there's parking right on the other side of this wall, across the little alley. And there's parking over there. I parked on the left. So you have a little patio area. We have tile at the entry, and the carpet begins immediately. It looks good. It looks new from what I can tell. It appears to be new. This flooring looks good as well. The walls are white, but overall in good condition. This mirror makes the room feel larger. So another good thing about this property is it already has the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds installed, so that saves an expense. We have tile counters. Not the best paint job here. We'll need Jenny's opinion on that because it doesn't look bad, it's just not the best. Cabinets have been painted and overall look fine. They didn't paint the hinges, so that's good. Black appliances, of course. Oh, upgraded fixture here. Okay. Tile in the laundry room. Not final. That's nice. Verticals, probably take that drape thing down. These cabinets are painted as well. Look fine. They're grayish, purplish. The walls in here are like a brown cement color. Need a shower rod. Probably switch that out to something new. Okay. So the master carpet is in fine condition. Just know it is a change in carpet. Not sure why they did that. This is that same brownish cement color. There are marks on the wall. I don't know if they can be cleaned or if this room just needs to be repainted. I think a repaint. I can see more marks that you may not be able to see in the video. Nice big closet. And that's the main street. That's Jenny's call. Same flooring as in the other bathroom upstairs. It's kind of soft. Need a shower rod in. Oh wait, sorry. There is a shower rod. Cabinets look good. Okay, so that's the property.